So this is our Project Golf. Went in for an MOT yesterday and failed on an inner CV boot and a rear spring or insecure. So we're going to get her up in the air and see what we need to do. Got her. Just a couple of cans.
Right, I don't know whether you can see that, but there is the split. Just there. That is what we're replacing today. Just got to take this off, and just got to take them off and get this plastic off. Have more access to the drive shaft. Right, so just need to get into there and release these M10 spline. So got to put the vehicle in neutral just so we can spin the drive shaft manually. Yeah? Oh Christ.
Now with the hammer, start tapping it down.
Right, so we've just got to take these 3 13s off. I'm going to mark them. Jesus. So you literally just pulled that.
Yeah, so these 3 13s that you've done from underneath. Basically pull this spline out. And there's your, I mean that's absolutely knackered. There we go.
So that's that. Now on to
hopefully the boot works.
Alright, just cleaning up these splines. Ready?
Right, now slightly rounder.
You got your wonky donkey one. Strange size one.
Imperial.
Yeah, that's the smacky smacky bang bang. I'm gonna hold your hand again. Perfect.
So we used a 1 3/8 socket.
And then?
So right, these are called pin bearings in these. Right. When you grease it up,
yeah,
put a little bit on your thumb.
Yeah.
Rub it in, and all the whole way around the pin bearing.
Yeah.
Then you move it forward. You put some in from the back as well.
Mhm.
Then what's left in the sachet goes in the boot. All around it. As much grease into these pin bearings, both sides.
Yeah.
So they're really heavy, because these are the first port of wear. So it'd be like putting any bearing. You never put a bearing in dry.
Right. Sorry we didn't record the process. It was a bit of a pig to get back on. But we're literally just going to torque all these back up and then do the main hub nut. And then that's us getting ready to put the wheel on. Right, so we have now torqued that nut there. What was it? 200 Newton meters. Yeah. And then yeah, that's it. Done. Spins freely. Now just going to put the wheel back on. That is us done. We've fitted a tensioner today. That is the beginning of that. We might show that in this video, or we might do that in part 3. We are going to service the vehicle as well. What else needs doing? Boot actuator. yeah, and a retest, and that'll be done by MotorTech, which is just down the road from us. And then, yeah, we will keep you updated with the next couple of videos. Thank you for watching.